Today we're going to tell you a little bit about Atomy liquid laundry detergent.
On the side, you also see our sheet laundry detergent
And powder laundry detergent.
and we have separate videos on these different products, but today we are going to focus on the liquid detergent.
Atomy liquid detergent is a nature-friendly detergent containing natural cleaning elements. It can be used in a regular washer and a drum washer. One of the ingredients is natural pine needle extract, which is included to decrease skin irritation and increase washability. It contains 3 natural washing ingredients, which include qualia extract, soapberry extract, and soapwort extract. It also contains ingredients for removing tough stains, including pine needle extract, which we mentioned in the slide before, and baking soda. This ingredient contains fatty acids, which neutralizes acidic stains to effectively remove them. It comes with a handy lid that you can use to measure the amount of liquid detergent you need to use for your load.
The lid comes very handy because you can use it as a measuring cup and you do not need a lot, just a little bit, and all the instruction you can read in the back of the bottle. Thank you for watching this video.
And for the question of the day, in this video, out of the powder and the liquid detergent, which one do you use to wash your laundry?
Thank you.
See you next time.